see myself through the eyes of love. What if you were to see yourself through the eyes of love? I found this simple exercise in Paul McKenna's book, Change Your Life in 7 Days, which I would recommend. He calls it the eyes of love. If it's appropriate, close your eyes and think of someone who loves or deeply appreciates you. Remember how they look and imagine they're standing in front of you now. Gently step out of your body and into the body of the person who loves you. See through their eyes, hear through their ears, and feel the love and good feelings they have as they look at you. Really notice in detail what it is that they love and appreciate about you. Recognize and acknowledge those amazing qualities that perhaps you hadn't appreciated about yourself until now. Then step back into your own body and take a few moments to enjoy those good feelings of knowing that you are loved and appreciated exactly as you are.